Hey guys, I'm challenging you today with 3 IXLs in one day and with about 15 minutes. So I know it's going to be tricky, but I know some of you are up to the challenge, which is why you've made it this far. Go on my assignment and I click on C.8 because that's the last one. It's just bringing up IXL. You could also go to IXL and pull up C.8. I'm doing so many of these because these ones are pretty easy. This next skill is estimating differences, which means first thing I've got to do, which they actually tell you to do, is I've got to estimate, which, remember, estimation is the best guess, and the easiest way to get your best guess is to round. So estimate equals round. Now, they are nice and let you know that to begin with. So if you notice, it says, estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest 100 and then subtracting. So my original numbers are 827 minus, but we already knew that because it told us difference, and difference is the answer when we subtract, 482. Now, it gives us the hint to round to the nearest 100. So when I'm rounding to the 100, I underline the number in the hundreds place. I circle the one to the right. Does 2 make it go up or stay the same? It stays the same, so this becomes 800 minus, and then I underline the one in the hundreds place. I circle the one in the tens place. The reason why I circle it is because it helps me remember, oh, that turns to a 0. So does everything else next to it. Does 8 make it go up or stay the same? It goes up. So this becomes 500. So 800 minus 500 equals 300. The difference is approximately, because it's not going to be an exact answer because we rounded and we estimated, it's going to be approximately 300. Got it. I'm going to keep the fact that rounded, estimate equals round on my board and just get rid of the other. This one, it says round to the nearest 100 once again, and then subtract. So I have 564 minus 542. I underline the ones in the one in the hundreds place. I circle the one to the right. 6 is, remember, 5 or more, let it soar. So it's going to go up. 4 or less, let it rest. But this one goes up. So this is going to become 6. And because that's circled, these become zeros. And then this one, underline the 5, circle the 4. 5 or more, let it soar. Nope. 4 or less, let it rest. Perfect. So this stays 5. And this, the 2 lines, kind of looks like an equal sign. So it helps me remember, like, this equals 5. This stays the same. 0, 0. 600 minus 500 is 100. So my answer is approximately 100, or the difference is approximately 100. The reason why I gave you guys 3 skills today is because they are pretty basic skills, and I'm hoping to see that you can master them all so quickly the same way. Once again, we're rounding. 934 minus 202. Underline the 9, circle the 3. 4 or less, let it rest, so that stays a 9. Minus, that stays the same. We've got 2, 0, 0. 900 minus 200 equals 700. Once you get into the groove of this, they go by pretty quick. Once again, I think you can get through 3. We're doing so many right now because we are now officially done with all of the skills in the A section of IXL. That means you guys can now work on any of those skills you want in the A section. Now we're finishing up the B section. You can't work on them all yet, but soon you'll be able to work on anyone that you want in the B section, just to get that extra practice. Also, because we are killing it in the number of questions we're getting per class, which is awesome. All right, guys, enjoy and have fun doing math. Bye.